So if you ain't see it, you ain't see it. I'm gonna tell you right now. Nicki Minaj called her sister a clown and a thirst trap in a bucket and everything seeking attention. And what's another word to say it? Attention seeking. Shut your mouth. I just recently called my cousin insane, but anyway, this is not about me. This is about Nicki and Ming Li. So anyway, so let's dive into the drama between Nicki Minaj and her sister, who's been going back and forth online because like we have no lives, and this is why this warm topic. This what keeps us alive in between work shifts and love making, right? Nicki and her sister Ming are having a very public feud, and honestly, both sides have a point. Nicki got her career and image to maintain, and she's often in the spotlight and has been for decades.
Why would a person speak on a person they love? Why would a person speak openly about a private person? Why would a person do that? Who would you speak about in your interviews if someone wanted to interview you? Yourself, right? It's always a bad sign if a person who's not even in your line of work is doing interviews. I think y'all think talent, like you could catch it like a cold, or maybe people could pass it through the genes. Even with blood relation, what God has given to me is mine. You have to go and get your own. You have to discover whatever it is that you're great at. Being a mooch and a clown don't run in my DNA.
If you have not noticed, she's pushing back against any criticism or drama, especially when it comes from her close family. It's understandable that when you're in the public eye, you want to protect the brand and all that. But on the flip side, Ming is right. In this generation of clout, what better clout is there besides being Nicki Minaj's sister? I would take interviews and catch the bag too and cash checks. If you ask me about my sister, I will answer. I get both sides. Like, Nicki not giving no bags out. And if she is, I still want to be my own person. I still want to be she wants to be a star. People confuse money with wanting fame. And those two things don't always go hand in hand, baby. She might feel frustrated about being in the shadows. Imagine being Nicki Minaj's little sister and looking like her, but not as cute. Not saying she's not cute, but when you're young, you still finding yourself. So she ain't find herself. I could tell she got pink wigs, green wigs, yellow. Hurt or frustrated about being in the shadows. Imagine being Nicki Minaj's sister. That must be hard. Beautiful, talented, kind, wealthy.
Weak. I couldn't eat nothing. I was crying. I was in pain. I'm not gonna lie. She call you a mooch. That was me. I don't care. Like, I really don't. I can't do it. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, let me try to care. Let me try to care about anyone negative telling me anything. Yeah, I can't do it. It's not in my genes. I can't seem to give a shit. She can be the next queen of rap. I see it. Oh no, I'm not the queen of rap. I can never be the queen of rap. Let's get that thing. So can you make good music? I can try by putting in work and effort and consistency. Hell yeah, I could sing. Let's not forget God gave me a talent too. It's singing, and it's being myself. It's being Ming Li. At least you honest. At least you honest. Honest. Why is it honest like that? He didn't give you talent. It's not evident. And yet he gave you my free to sing too. So how about that? Clock it. Anybody can wear pink. Chill on her. Like word. Ain't nobody made no pink. Y'all just like to just be a barb. Or be a follower. And y'all mad because I can rock it. And if y'all say I look bad, y'all just talking. Isn't Barb your sis? Speak English first and then I'll answer that question. I'll be chilling. People just be hating.
Family disagreements can get messy, especially when you are the person that get mixed with public scrutiny. It's not uncommon for family dynamics to spill into the public eye, right? With Ming Li's perspective, she might be coming from a place of wanting to be heard and respected. Like, who wouldn't want to be famous in their own right? So why are they both right? Nicki's trying to protect her career and public image, right? While Ming Li is expressing her genuine personal feelings and frustration. It's classic two sides of having valid concerns but struggling to find common ground. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, lately I just came back from New Orleans. So, you know, when I go on my solo trips, I be feeling myself for a little bit, you know. So what do you think? Are you Team Nicki, Team Ming? Do you see where they're both coming from? Drop your thoughts below. Do you care? This is warm topics, baby, not world changing topics. But let's see.
You supposed to drink. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town.